Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. I went to my favorite Dollar Tree and they did not disappoint again. They had out more Easter things that I'm so excited about. The first one is new to me. These are mini carrots. I do not remember these from last year. There's 18 of them in here. They are, let's see, the carrot part itself is 1.5 inches, and then with the little greenery on the top, it's 2 inches. So they are like a styrofoam, a painted styrofoam, but I think they're really adorable. They're done really well. So I have a couple bags of those. I also picked up 2 more of these wood beads. I just really like the size of these and I like the colors. Another item, I think these are new. I don't remember these from last year, but these are these little bunny wood veneer pieces, but they have the little cottontail on them. Like I said, I don't remember them from last year. And this is like the unfinished side, so it almost seems like they've got a little bit of stain on them because you can definitely tell the difference between the two sides. So I think those are cute. Like, I don't know if I mentioned, but there's 12 in a pack there. I found these. I just think these are really cute for Valentine's. I've done like chunky charms with these dangling from it, so I really enjoy using these at Valentine's Day, so I just wanted to pick up another set. What else? I did pick up these. I do a lot of like almost like a bento box or like a charcuterie lunch. I make a little lunch for myself and I have like some raw nuts and then like berries and things like that. And I usually use just like small containers to put the different things that I eat in. But I thought these would be cute to just take up less room on the tray. And I could put like raw nuts, I could put berries in here, you know, vegetables in here or dressing or whatever I wanted to do. I just thought they would be cute to use with my lunch. So I just got those for myself. Let's see. I ended up picking up these wood tags. I wanted to get them for our whole family, but I only was able to get the kids, so these are my kids' initials, and they had a D for my husband, but they didn't have an N, they didn't make an N, and I did look on the outside of the box and it wasn't one of them listed, so I wasn't able to get one for everybody. So like I said, I just got the 3 for the kids then. This I got, I don't know why. Let me grab it here. If you are a child of the 80s, then you remember the chapstick or the lip gloss that we had. What was the name of it? Was it Lip Smackers? Was it, oh my gosh, what was it called in these tins? I know, if you know, put it in the comments down below. But I had to get this just because it was the same tin. So it's LA Colors before I tear it apart. And this is like a juicy peach. It's called Juicy Smooches. And it is just this same little tin that we had. Just, that brings back so many memories of that. Just keeping this in my back pocket at school. Oh, it doesn't smell very good. It smells almost like a crayon. Oh, it smells better after you like rub it, but it feels okay on my lips. That just brought back so many memories. I had to get it just for that. All right, the next thing that I got was, again, something that was new to me. There's a third one, hold on. So I got these gingham bunnies. And you guys, these are so well done. So you get 6 in a package. They came in purple, pink, and blue. They're gingham fabric on one side with a coordinating bow and felt on the other. These are so well done. They're such a good size too. So I did pick up 2 packages of each of these, 2 in each color. Guys, they're blowing me away. Okay, so now down to the last few things that I have. I did pick up some of the felt on a roll, and I got this in red and white. I'm gonna make some little kind of homemade Valentine type pillows. Actually, I'm gonna kind of do it like like these, just on a little bit larger size. These are the ones that I picked up at Michael's, and I had put them in my Valentine's Day confetti. But I'm gonna just do something like this on a larger size. So I picked up the red that I'm gonna do with the white, just like this, and I'm gonna do white with red embroidery around it. And I'm just gonna cut out a heart shape with the pinking shears, but I'm gonna just see how much is on here. 48 inches, so yeah, you get 2 feet of this, so that's a really good deal. So like I said, I just got the red and the white. My store had a couple different colors, but for 2 feet of it, I think this is that is a steal. So I got those. Okay, and then the last thing I picked up, guys, they're just blowing my mind. Look at these. These carrots, $1.25. They are huge. They are over 12 inches. This felt on the top is not crinkled or cheap. It is, you know, nice and stiff felt. It's got the twine bow on it. It's got the gingham and the polka dotted pattern. They're just adorable. So I picked up 2 of each of those. I'm just going to display these in a basket, like a natural type basket at Easter time in my house. So anyway, I thought those were so adorable. You guys keep your eye out for the new spring and Easter items coming. I have a feeling we're just going to continue to be surprised here. So let me know what you guys think of the haul, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.